show you our moody take on our dark van. Let's get into it.
We take empty vans like this and turn them into this.
We just wrapped up van build number 27 for a client, so we're gonna give you a full van tour.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Vanland. This is a very special day for us because we're going to be revealing to you guys one of the most complex and intense builds that we did this year, and it turned out to be one of the most amazing vans that we've ever built at Vanland.